Imagine looking at the night sky, and instead of our familiar soft moon, you see a massive gray-brown world covered in fractures, ice plains, and shadowy ridges. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, now orbits Earth, bigger than Mercury, a frozen giant. And Earth instantly enters the most unpredictable era in its history. Ganymede is over twice as massive as our moon and far larger. Placed at the same distance, its gravitational pull would transform the planet immediately. The oceans react first, violently. Tides rise to unimaginable height. Some coastal regions face daily walls of water tens of meters high. Entire cities near shorelines become uninhabitable. Ports collapse. Shipping ends instantly. Millions are forced to flee inland within days. But water is only the first problem. Earth's crust begins to feel the strain. Tidal forces from a moon this large twist the planet like a soft ball. Fault lines activate everywhere. Dormant volcanoes awaken. Earthquakes become weekly events. Supervolcano systems experience pressure never seen before. Billions live under constant seismic threat. The sky changes too. Ganymede's huge icy surface reflects sunlight like a giant mirror. Nights become far brighter than we've ever known, almost like dim daytime. Wildlife is thrown into chaos. Nocturnal animals lose their instincts. Migratory species misread seasons. Human sleep cycles fall apart. But the biggest danger lies hidden deep inside Ganymede. It contains a massive subsurface ocean, a global saltwater layer beneath frozen ice. Brought close to Earth, tidal flexing would heat its interior more than ever, causing violent internal cracking. Vapor jets and ice plumes erupt from fissures, blasting into space. A new chaotic ring of ice particles may form around Earth. And those particles, they slowly fall. Constant meteor showers begin across the globe. Small ice fragments burning as bright streaks of blue-white. Beautiful but deadly to satellites. Earth's space infrastructure collapses within weeks. GPS, communications, and weather satellites become useless. Ganymede's magnetic field, the only moon with one, creates even stranger effects. Its interaction with Earth's magnetosphere produces electrical disturbances, auroras at the equator, interference with power grids, and unpredictable radiation storms. Climate destabilizes next. With tides distorted, ocean currents shift. Weather patterns break. Regions that were once mild face extreme storms. Other places dry out permanently. Agriculture fails in multiple continents at once. Floods alternate with droughts. Humanity faces the most severe food crisis in history. Eventually, Earth stabilizes, but into a completely different world. Civilizations move inland. Coastal megacities vanish. Underground and shielded cities emerge. Global trade reshapes. Humanity adapts to a world with brighter nights, constant minor meteor showers, and unpredictable seasons. Ganymede in our sky would be spectacular. But the cost? A transformed, unstable Earth, forever changed by a moon too massive to coexist peacefully. The moon gives us balance. Ganymede would give us chaos.